Let's take a look at this radical equation. I have x under the radical sign. In order to find the value of x, I have to eliminate the radical. Remember, anytime you want to eliminate radical, you're supposed to raise the radical to the power which is equal to the index. Remember, anytime there is no number, there is always invisible 2. That's why I'm going to raise this expression to the second power. Whatever I did on the right side of my equation, I have to do also on the left side. That's why I'm going to raise 3 to the second power. 3 to the second power is equal 9. Equals, this exponent is going to eliminate my radical. And I have 9 times x. I'm looking for x. X is multiplied to 9. In order to eliminate multiplication, I have to use division. Okay, and I have to divide both sides equation by 9 because I'm looking for x by itself. Okay, so that's why 9 and 9 will cancel out. 9 divided by 9 is equal 1. So if 1 equals x. Let's check if this is the right solution. Instead of x in my original equation, I'm going to write 1. I have 3 equals square root, and I have 9 times 1. I have 3 equals square root. 9 times 1 is equal 9. 3 equals square root of 9 is equal 3. As you can see, left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the solution to my problem. X is equal 1. Let's take a look at the second example. Anytime I have problem like this, I always try to reduce the numbers to the lowest as is possible. So what I would do, I would divide both sides equation by 10. I'm going to eliminate the integer from my radical sign, and I'm going to reduce my 80, and I'm going to have equation square root 4x equals 8. This is one of the many ways to solve this problem. X is under the radical sign. I have to eliminate the radical in order to find x. Remember, anytime you want to eliminate radical, you're supposed to raise expression with this radical to the power which is equal to the index. Remember, anytime there is no number over here, there is always invisible 2. That's why I raised this expression to the second power. Whatever I did on the left side, I have to do also on the right side. This exponent is going to eliminate my radical sign. That's why I have 4x equals 64. Okay, I have to find value of x. X is multiplied to 4. I do not want to see 4 next to x. This is multiplication. Anytime you want to eliminate multiplication, you have to use division. And divide both sides equation by whatever is next to x. In this case, I'm going to divide by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out. And I have x equals 64 divided by 4 is equal 16. Now, I'm going to check if this is correct answer. I'm going to replace x from my original equation by 16. So I'm going to have 10 square root, open parenthesis, we can say 4 times 16 equals 80. I have 10 square root 4 times 16 is equal 64 equals 80. 10 times square root of 64. Square root of 64 is equal 8. 10 times 8 is 80. 80 is equal 80. As you can see, left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the solution to my problem. X is equal 16.